Welcome back to the JC Tech and Finance channel, guys. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing and giving you my first impressions of one of the very best Samsung TVs out there, the QN90B. Right after this. Welcome back. Now let's get to the unboxing. So inside we have the quick setup guide, we have the remote, we have the power cord, and we have the user manual. We also have the stand, which will be used to hold the TV. Okay, now that we've gotten the accessories out of the box, let's get started with taking the TV out. Okay, so let's first assemble the stand. Okay, so next let's put the TV on the table and then attach the base to the TV. Okay, so now that we're done unboxing, let's plug it in and turn it on. What's new for 2022? Well, there is 14-bit processing. It's the bit depth commonly used for RAW photo capture in professional mirrorless cameras. Even though the panel used for this TV is only capable of 10-bit HDR, the extra steps that 14-bit processing allows results in a cleaner and more precise final image. Well, this TV comes with Dolby Atmos capability built in, along with Object Tracking Sound Plus. It gets the user one step closer to the cinema-like experience. There's also a new Wi-Fi based solution to wirelessly transmit Dolby Atmos to 2022 Samsung soundbars. The screen also has an anti-reflective coating and an ultra-wide viewing angle. The Smart TV user interface has been upgraded. It's now a full-screen user interface with a sidebar rather than a strip at the bottom of the TV. The user interface has also grouped content into different hubs. You have the Media Hub, the Gaming Hub, and the Ambient Mode Hub. Speaking of the Gaming Hub, this TV will also have access to gaming streaming services such as NVIDIA GeForce Now and Stadia, along with others being announced at a later date. Another new feature is the professional calibration that allows you to optimize your picture quality without having to bring in a professional calibrator. This is a feature that was probably taken from Apple when they announced their new Apple TV back in 2021. Note, there's a basic calibration mode that can get you up and running in a few minutes, and a professional mode that will take a bit longer but may result in better quality. Finally, there's a new NFT platform that will allow users to view and purchase NFTs, but I'm not quite sure how useful that will be to most people. Last but not least, it has a new remote that can charge using solar power and RF harvesting. RF harvesting works by using the small bit of current that it can harness from radio signals like Wi-Fi. If this fails, you can always charge using the USB port. By the way, if you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, please be sure to like this video so that it goes out to more people. And if you want to see other unboxings and first impressions, please be sure to subscribe. Now, let's talk about features which are the same as last year. Similar to the QN90A, it has 100% color volume, it uses the quantum dot technology, it has HDR capability, and plays 4K. And what 4K means is that it has 4 times the resolution of full HD and over 1 billion shades of color. This means that very bright objects and very dark objects on the same screen can be shown very bright and very dark if the display supports it. In addition, this screen has a 120Hz refresh rate, which is great for playing video games on systems such as the Xbox or the PS5. Next up is design. It is slim with a curved back panel. It comes with a pedestal stand, which makes it easy for putting it on top of a table, as you can see. It also has cable management at the back, and there's a single physical button located under the bottom edge of the TV in the center. This screen has good reflection handling overall, but especially bright reflections aren't diffused much across the screen. Next, let's talk about the connections. It has an air/cable input. It has 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs for your PS5 or Xbox. It has 2 USB ports, an Ethernet connection, and a digital audio out connection. In terms of smart TV capabilities, it has built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity to allow access to a variety of apps such as Apple TV, Disney, and Amazon Prime. It uses a Bixby, Google Home, or Amazon Alexa voice assistants, and it has Apple AirPlay 2 built in. In addition, it is an Internet of Things hub. It has multi-view capability where you can watch 2 things on your screen at once, including what's on your mobile device. But of course, there are always a few downsides. One, it doesn't play 8K, but there isn't much 8K content out there, so you're not losing out on much. The main downside is also the price. While there are a few improvements, there's not a massive difference between this TV and the QN90A. And I don't think that these new features can justify the price difference of $200 or $300. So hopefully this video has given you a better idea of the value of this TV. Comment down below and let me know what you're upgrading from. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is JC Tech and Finance signing out.